Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily disable the sounds and typing on any iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So friends, let us move with you to this interesting topic. And first of all, you'll need to open the settings on your iPhone. And then, folks, scroll down a little bit and you'll find an option here called Sounds and Vibrations. And then also scroll down and find this option called Keyboard Communication. And as you can see, here you can disable the sound as well as the vibration for your keyboard when you're typing. And in order to do that, just click on the button next to the word sound so that it turns this gray color. This means that you have turned off the typing sound. If you want to turn off the vibration as well, then do the same with it. After that, just exit back and this way both the vibration sound will be disabled while typing on your iPhone. Dear friends, I really hope that this video was useful for you and that it helped you. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.